Welcome, you are listening Radio Central News. I'm Chandni, and now news in detail. With India registering 61,537 more cases, the coronavirus tally reached 20,88,611 on Saturday, while 14,27,005 people have so far recuperated from COVID-19, pushing the recovery rate to 68.32%, the Union Health Ministry said. The death toll due to the disease rose to 42,518, with 933 fresh fatalities being reported in a day, data updated showed. There was 6,19,088 active cases of COVID-19 comprising 29.64% of the caseload. The case fatality rate has further dropped to 2.04%. This was the 10th day in a row that the COVID-19 tally increased by more than 50,000. A total of 5,98,778 samples were tested on Friday, taking the total to 2,33,87,171 so far, according to the Indian Council of Medical Research. Of the 933 fresh deaths reported, 300 are from Maharashtra, 109 from Tamil Nadu, 101 from Karnataka, 89 from Andhra Pradesh, 63 from Uttar Pradesh, 52 from West Bengal, 23 in Delhi, 22 from Punjab and Gujarat, 16 from Madhya Pradesh, 14 each from Uttarakhand and Telangana, 13 from Jammu and Kashmir, 12 from Odisha and 10 each from Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh. Air India Express Limited on Saturday issued a statement on the two pilots who were killed when the plane crashed at Kozhikode International Airport while landing on Friday night and confirmed the number of fatalities at 18. It said the commander of the ill-fated aircraft 91344, Captain Deepak Vasant Sathe, was an experienced Boeing 737-800 aircraft pilot and had earlier also flown the Airbus A310. He had also won the Sword of Honor at the Air Force Academy in Hyderabad and was an accomplished fighter pilot before becoming a commercial pilot. The statement said the family of the deceased Commander Vasant Sathe was been duly escorted by the Angels of Air India and emergency response team from Mumbai to Calicut. The family was escorted to the hospital where the mortal remains of the captain were kept for post-mortem. As regards the family of the deceased co-pilot Captain Akhilesh Kumar, they had already been escorted from Delhi to Calicut by Air India Express officials and Angels of Air India. In a rebuff to Pakistan, the World Bank has refused to unilaterally decide an appointment of a neutral expert or court of arbitration for settling the dispute over the water-sharing agreement between India and Pakistan under the 1960 Indus Water Treaty and suggested that the two countries mutually decide the matter. World Bank's former country director of Pakistan, Patsha Muthu Ilongovan, said the two countries should bilaterally decide which option to take forward. Warren Buffett's company reported an 87% jump in its second quarter profit as the value of its investment portfolio increased with the stock market, but it took a roughly $10 billion write-down on the value of its aircraft parts manufacturing business because of the economic impact of the coronavirus pandemic. Berkshire Hathaway Inc. said Saturday that it had earned $26.3 billion or 16,314 per Class A share during the second quarter. That's up from $14.1 billion or 8,608 per share a year ago. Berkshire said it cut the value of its precision cast parts unit because of how much the pandemic has hurt air travel and business that support that airline industry. Buffett has long said Berkshire's operating earnings offer a better view of quarterly performance because they exclude investment and derivatives, which can vary widely. By that measure, Berkshire operating earnings declined 10% to $5.5 billion or 3,420.48 per Class A share, as most of its business were hurt by restrictions related to the coronavirus pandemic. That is all for today's news bulletin. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.